Hi friends, welcome to Dhiksoochi. In this video, we are going to discuss about the first IPO in 2022, that is AGS Transit Technologies Limited. Let us see when it is going to open and what the company about and what are the financials. Okay, the start date means it is going to be open on 19th January and closes, that is it closes the applications receiving by 21st January 2022. Share price is, the bandwidth is between 166 rupees and 175 rupees. Means if you want to buy one share of it, you have to spend 166 to 175 rupees. And the lot size in the sense how much quantity you can buy per lot, means either you need to buy one lot, maximum of 13 lots of AGS technologies, that is 85. The quantity per lot is 85. So you can buy 85 or 13 times multiple of 85 maximum. The total cost per one lot is, that is maximum price band 175 into 85, so it is giving you 14,875. This is what the amount is required to buy this AGS IPO. Now let us see about the company, also the financials of this. Okay, so this is the home page which I have taken from their website. The source is agsindia.com. So there are many business segments, out of which this is one which everybody know almost, because we always see such kind of vehicles on the road, and this vehicle carries money from bank to or sources to the ATM machines, right? From there we withdraw money instead of going to the banks and doing so. So that is what, this is a segment that is secure. This is also one subsidiary of AGS. Okay. Anyway, we are going to talk about these in this video in further slides. So finally, the AGS is, what we would want to know is, the AGS is a provider of end-to-end cash and digital payment solutions. That is what AGS is. Okay. Now, let us see about the company. What the company about? This is omni-channel payment solution provider. Means payment solution provider means like the services UPI or RFID or toll gates, even if we pay no. So such kind of payment solution provider. If you see the capacity of this company, it outsourcing 14,099 ATMs and CRMs. Along with this, 19,161 ATMs and CRMs under managed service segment. That is what the capacity of AGS Transit Technologies Limited. The clients are 2,200. So the services they provide are ATMs and CRMs, no? So the machines are customer touch points like UPI, 4,46,000. 4,46,000. And it's headquartered in Mumbai. Also, let us see the subsidiaries. We were talking about secure value, right? While discussing about the home page, that is secure value. What is the secure value in the sense? That is a cash management company like ATMs. Now, along with this, the other subsidiaries are India Transact. What is this India Transact? This is digital payment solution company. Also, the other subsidiary, Novus Technologies. It provides products and services under banking automation solutions and payment solution segments for certain Southeast Asian countries. What are those? Like Sri Lanka, Singapore, and Cambodia and Philippines. So such countries They provide the products and service under banking automation solutions and payment solution segments. That is what about the subsidiaries. Now let us see the business segments. The business segments is banking automation, because of which we are not going to bank to withdraw or deposit money nowadays, and payment solutions, we are paying online. Also they are managing the cash management, the transactions between the bank and customers. Retail automation, even 2 rupees also you can pay, even 5 rupees or 10 rupees also can be shared. Fuel retail automation, this is also a kind of a brand what it is, that is fast lane. The fast lane, what is this fast lane means? This is the first company in India which integrated RFID, for fuel. Okay, RFID payment solution for fuel. That is what the fuel retail automation. And transit and toll, we regularly pay tolls whenever we travel on the highways, right? Then the color automation. So these are what the business segments, what does it do? And brands, when you come for, anyway, we just now I told about Fastlane. That is, Fastlane is the first Indian company integrated RFID payment solution for fuel. And on go, right? One single payment system, like debit card maybe, credit card, RFID and UPI, etc. What is UPI? Even if you want to buy an IPO, you need to pay the money, whatever the amount we are expecting, around 14,875, that has to be done through UPI only, UPI BHIM app, right? So that is what the ongo, those are what the brands of this AGS IPO. Okay, now let us see the awards. See, it also bagged almost very good awards in the same in the respective sector. That is Fortune, the next 500, Asia's most trusted companies, iconic and best payment solution awards. So Reach, this is Reach solution. Likewise, they got very good awards. Also, if you see the peers, we can only identify these two exclusively. Means it is into banking automation as well as the payment and cash management. So in that regard, we can consider these as its peers. SBI card, you know it. Also the Paytm, which is recently listed in the stock market. And SBI card ROCE, return on capital employed percentage, is almost 9%. Whereas Paytm is just listed and trying to establish itself in the stock market. Other than these two, there are also the banking industry, like banking sector. Also the asset management company sector also can be considered as peers for it. Okay, this is what about the peers. Because you can see how they are performing on the stock market, so that you can expect, and you can also average the performance of such companies while it is listed on the stock market, right? Now let us see the financials. First start with the balance sheet. When come for equity, if you see the equity year on year from 2019 to 2021, you can see the improvement, growth in this. So in the year 2019 it is 5,400, whereas in 2021 it is 6,347. And borrowings, there is little increase in 2020 from 2019, that is 1,000 changed to 2,000. In the year 2021 it came down to 1,400. Other liabilities also, in the 2019 it was 141 and increased by 2020 with 154.35. All these amounts are in millions. And in the year 2021 it came down to 139.70. If you see the fixed asset increase, it is increased from 8,188 to 13,298 in 2020 and came down to 11,955 in the year 2021. Investments, they have mentioned 2,000 they have in the year 19, and they have not mentioned anything in 2020, and maybe this is a nil, and 2021 it is 96.91. If you see the profit and loss account, First, expenses. In the expenses, if you see, there is a decrease in expenses on year from 13,315 in 2019 to 9,948 in 2021. Means they are able to control their expenses. And total income, it is declined, that is 15,000 in the year 2019 to 14,000. It is hardly 1,600 and change. If you see the profit after tax in the year 2019, 422.15, but in 2020 it increased to 898, almost double. In 2021 it slightly declined in the profit of 700. Now let us see the cash flows. If you see the cash from operating activity, then this same as like a balance sheet. In the year 2019 it is 3,300, later on it increased to 4,000 and then declined to 3,632. Same way, if you see the investing activity, there is an outflow of 1,500 around in the year 19. It increased to 2,350 in the year 2020. Also, there is an outflow but decline comparatively 2020, that is 1,167 in the year 2021. So these outflows are taken place because they have purchased land, also they spent amount on the subsidiaries. If you see the cash from operating activities, this in the year 2019, the outflow of 1,823 and declined in the year 2020 for 1,654. Because both the years they paid long-term loans and some borrowings. And in the year March 2021, there is raise of funds in long-term loan, that is 3,335. So this is what, friends, about the cash flows, also the financials, and I hope you understand the company details and you can decide whether to invest or not in this company. So if you have not subscribed our Dhiksoochi, please do subscribe so that you can get the updates immediately whenever it is recorded and uploaded on the channel. And also you can take a decision wisely whether can go for this investment or not. Also post your comments in the comment box so that I can provide you more and more details about the data whatever you need for regarding such kind of investments. We'll meet again in the next IPO presentation, maybe delivery, that very soon we are going to post it on YouTube once the date of listing is announced. Till then, take care. Thank you. Bye bye.